Hello everyone. In this video, I'm gonna show you a tip on iOS 8 that we are gonna record the screen, and then we will how to extract the photo to a sticker or to the transparent background, something like that. And I will show you how is Amazon AI on Apple work. So yeah, you can go to the browser and download your favorite image to extract as a feature, to create the sticker or something like that. And in this test I will do some my photo, and I will go back to my photo right now. Okay, I have the easy sticker, and I have the here is some noise background, and we're gonna use to capture this to be a sticker to send on SMS or send on the social media, something like that. And this one is also a sticker key stick, something like this. And final examination is the sticker that mix up with the background is similar color. How can the AI detect the object, something? So now we can start right now. First I go to the simple ways. Easy mean that the easy task. Okay, you just tap on it and tap, you can see that it pop up. So seem like the glow around in there as a stroke. So I select copy. After that I will go to Telegram, and then I will send here. Okay, seems it very good. It crop very, it's perfect for me right now. And now we go to another task. It's much more complicated with the background, and makes a very nice background very similar to the objects. So you just tap on it and press hold. You can see press hold, and you can see that it pop up, and it will be magically display the glows and display the something around the object. Now I copy and I send one more again to friend. Okay, look, yes, very similar. So it's mostly the cutting edge is very smooth and very flexible. Object pop-ups, something like that. And now I go to Pokemon. It's more complicated, mean that the color object and the background color something makes very noise. So I'm gonna do it again, just and copy it again and send to friend as you want. Yes, it's perfect for me. So this version iOS 18 is perfect right now for the cut to create a sticker, something like that from the object. You can create many as you want from by downloading from Google and find your image and to do cutting background, something like that. So thank you everyone for watching this video. Bye.